On a distant road, far from home, Mary and Joseph continued on their long journey to Bethlehem. They'd ridden for many miles, over hills and fields and along dusty roads. They were tired, they were weary, and a little bit lost.
Is it much further, Joseph?
I promise, it is around here somewhere.
We have been travelling for 3 days.
What is it?
I do hope we arrive before this baby does.
Oh, don't worry, Mary. I'm going to take care of everything. We'll get ourselves to Bethlehem, and I'll find us a nice hotel with room service and all the comforts of home.
You promise?
I promise. Oh, there!
Bethlehem.
The town where I was born! I told you I knew where I was going. Come on, everything's going to be all right now. Come on, donkey. And so Mary and Joseph arrived in the quiet little town of Bethlehem. Now, you stay there, Mary. I'll go and find us somewhere to stay. Right, let's have a look. Census forms, get your census forms here. Oh, I know. That's that chap over there if he knows anywhere to stay. Census forms, get your census forms here. Excuse me. Census... Oh, it's you. You're here, are you? Yes, I thought you'd come to your census. Oh, dear me. But the thing is, I was just wondering if you could tell me. Fill out a form. Oh, right, okay. Only my wife's about to have a baby, so if we could make it rather quick. I happen to be rather busy. You will have to wait your turn. Look, it's really important. Oh, yes. Going to change the course of history, is it? Maybe. Oh. Right, well, in that case, name. Joseph of Nazareth. And how many in the party, sir? 2. No, wait. 3. No, wait, no, it's 2. Or is it 3? Is it 2 or is it 3? I think it's sort of in between. Are you being funny? Not really, no. So, you are here with your wife and child. No, the thing is, it's not actually my child. What? What is it? You see, God made him. God made all of us, sir. Yeah, but him in particular. Look, just fill out a form. I'll bring it back when you've finished. Right. Next. Well, this isn't going to help me find anywhere for Mary's baby to be born. Oh no, I'll try one of those hotels. Someone's bound to have a spare room.